There's a place called Hellas Basin on Mars, which is a big, almost certainly an impact crater, impact basin actually. It's 9 kilometers down to the floor. So that means that although it's so big you couldn't see it, if you put Everest in the middle, you could look down on the summit from the edge. It's so deep that the atmospheric pressure is so high at the floor of the crater that liquid water can occasionally exist at the floor. So already, although Mars's atmosphere is very thin, there are places that are so low in altitude that the pressure's high enough for liquid to exist momentarily there, even now. So you can see that the atmosphere of Mars doesn't need a lot. It needs things like greenhouse effects, carbon dioxide and things thrown into the atmosphere. But then you can imagine growing plants, and the plants will produce oxygen, and the water's there for them to do that. And so you could imagine at some point in the future that we end up with an atmosphere on Mars again, because it did have one once.